This is a short 6-minute video showing the prototype ventilator controller based on an NE555 timer. Details can be found at diyventilator.blogspot.com. The prototype was built into a standard duplex outlet box. There's the duplex outlet. There's a solid-state relay. The unit is powered by a wall wart that puts out 9 to 15 volts. We'll plug the wall wart into the always powered outlet. The other outlet is switched, and we'll plug the air pump into the switched outlet. The controller turns the switch side outlet on and off according to the control settings. The front has 3 controls. We can adjust the inhale or blower on time duration. This shows a short inhale duration. The blower is on for a short period of time. Here is a long inhale duration. The blower is on for a long period of time. We can adjust the exhale or off time duration. Here is a short exhale duration. The blower is off for a short period of time. Here is a long exhale duration. The blower is off for a long period of time. The inhale cycle can be triggered by the patient taking a breath. This causes a pressure drop, which is sensed by the pressure drop sensor. The pressure drop sensor is an electret microphone element. The trigger sensitivity needs to be adjusted for each element so that the trigger is sensed and that there's no false triggers. If the trigger is set too high, there will be false triggering. If the trigger sensitivity is set too low, it won't trigger. If the trigger is set correctly when the patient inhales, the inhalation cycle will start. Details can be found at diyventilator.blogspot.com. The schematic shows the NE555 timer with a solid-state relay wired up as a high-side load, so when the output of the timer is low, the relay is turned on, which controls the power plug and socket. 2 controls control the inhale and exhale duration. Power filter system takes the wall wart power. And 2 transistors for the patient pressure drop sensor. And there's the electret mic element. Prototype was built in a duplex outlet box. 3 controls mounted inside. Solid-state relay mounted on the side. Proto board for the 555 timer circuit. Top side showing the 8-pin NE555 timer chip. The duplex outlet has the tab cut, so one side can be switched and the other side has power all the time. The solid-state relay is then wired across the 2 screw terminals to feed power from the always-on side to the switch side. There's a picture of the solid-state relay and the snubber circuit. The scope traces show the operation of the prototype. The bottom trace is the NE555 output. Since the solid-state relay is wired as a high-side load, when the 555 pin 3 is low is when the relay is on and the blower is on, and that's an inhale cycle. When pin 3 is high, the blower is off, and that's an exhale cycle. Blower on, blower off. Blower on, blower off. The inhale blower on cycle can be triggered at the top by an inhalation sensing of the pressure drop sensor. That pulls the timing cap voltage up quickly to initiate an inhalation cycle. So this is a demonstration of the ventilator controller prototype. The electronics portion worked very well. Unfortunately, the blower shown in the picture does not work very well. It produces a high volume of air, but not a high pressure of air. Using a simple water manometer, I measured about 1 centimeter H2O of pressure. That pressure is not sufficient for a true mechanical ventilator. 30 to 60 centimeters of water pressure are required. Perhaps somebody can suggest a more suitable air pump for this project. Thank you for watching.